This is the GB120. We sell a lot of them. We really like them. Great portable travel units. So we're going to try to do as many repair videos as we can on this unit. This is a tiller adjustment right here. But what happens is if they get forced down or different things could happen where this, if you put it down, it can slowly come back up. Try to adjust this down here. And so this is Justin. We're going to let him show you how to do that adjustment.
So all you need is a pair of vice grips. You'll grab it on here. And you're going to turn this either way until you got 3 threads showing down here. Any more, any less, it will come back up.
Easy fix. Also with this, if you have one of these and this gets real loose, you can adjust, you can tighten it, this bolt with an Allen wrench in here, tighten it up a little bit. You're going to have to hold this bolt, come in here, grab me that little tool. So you would just take this, you'd clamp it, you'd come in here, and you just kind of tighten it up. And you want to overly tighten it just a little bit over here. And then you have to kind of get down, get this up underneath here. Put these clamps right onto here, tighten it up there. And then again on this side. So there's 4 at the top, and then tighten it up here. And this will keep this from really wiggly. Now when you come down here, this has to have some movement. This down here. So if you are going to tighten this, just do it just a little bit of tightening. Little bit of tightening, but if you over tighten it, it gets really hard to move this.